Nation, it's me, Barry Pete, back again. Family Fun RV Center, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, beautiful Portland, Oregon. Our second location, 570 North Columbia Boulevard, also in Portland, Oregon. Both locations family owned and family run. Both locations small in size, big in service. Folks of the RV Nation, who's looking for a Class A diesel pusher motorhome? Because today I am coming to you from one beautiful example. This is a 2010 Forest River Berkshire 390BH, 39-foot Class A diesel pusher motorhome, 340 horsepower Cummins diesel motor out back, fully automatic transmission built on a Freightliner chassis, owning 8,000 watt generator. One fine example of a slightly used Class A diesel pusher motorhome. Beautiful Forest River quality, still stands true and holding up today, even though it's 8 years old. Beautiful paint job on the outside. The folks that own this have really taken some pride and really taken great care in this. 4 slides on this coach all together. Great storage on the outside underneath. Just about in the middle of the coach is, of course, a huge pass-through. Forest River has what they call their suicide doors, so both doors open up in the center, giving you a really large area to get something big inside there. With a full pull-out tray, so if you're putting suitcases, you've got a tray you can pull out and reach if you need to get across, and both sides you can get to it. Moving to the inside, folks. Great large bedroom in the back with a walk-around queen-size bed. Washer and dryer also back there. Large-size closet. You've got a nice TV that is mounted center in the center of the bed instead of one side or the other, which makes it nice for watching TV. You don't have to crook your neck one way or the other. And in the 390BH, folks, stands for bunkhouse. This particular model has 2 bunks just in front of the bedroom that have their own entertainment center. So if you're traveling with kids or you're traveling with some other guests and they want to go watch a movie or listen to some music, and each bunk has a DVD player and entertainment center basically with their own headphones. So if they're back there rocking out or listening to a movie, stick some headphones on, and they're not bothering anybody else in the old coach here. Bathroom is a very nice sized bathroom, stand-up shower with a glass surround. Great size area for someone to get ready, not cramped whatsoever. Very nice size. And of course, in the whole back of the coach, you can close each area off. You want to close off the bunk area, close off the bathroom area, or close off the master bedroom area. You have the ability to do so with some very nice hardwood pocket doors back there. So you do get some nice privacy and some nice quiet if you so choose. Nice kitchen area that has Corian, true Corian solid surface countertops. Got a 3-burner range here. Also having a Manna stainless convection microwave combination, so you can do some true cooking in this coach. If you are a master chef or you'd like to do some cooking or entertaining, have a true kitchen to do so. Undermount sink here, lots of counter space, gives you a great area to prep or clean up. Refrigerator is a 4-door refrigerator with an ice maker, gives you plenty of room. Again, if you've got more than 2 people on board, or if you're doing some entertaining or you like to carry a lot of groceries, you have that ability with a large refrigerator. Nice little couch area over here for when you're traveling. You've got a couch over here that turns into a nice fold-out bed with an air mattress, which is something that's a little bit different. You're not sleeping on the cushions and wearing them all out. This little couch right here has its own air mattress, which is a lot more comfortable than sleeping on one of those metal frames that we're all used to. Nice dinette area, one-touch feature on this guy. Little flip of the lever and the table goes down, and you've also got another area to sleep on here. Cherry cabinetry throughout with nickel-plated poles. You've got ceramic tile flooring in this. Another nice feature that Forest River did back in 2010, one of the first manufacturers, LED lighting that is also dimmable. Onboard entertainment center with surround sound, DVD player, speakers throughout. You have ducted heating and air. This is an amazing coach that is, even at 8 years old, this baby is ready to get camping. Folks, if you've been looking for a Class A, if you've been looking for a travel trailer, a fifth wheel toy hauler, Whatever you're looking for, please come see us here at Family Fun RV. We are always getting consignments and trade-ins. We're always interested in those. So even though we're small, we're big in service. Folks, this is the Forest River Berkshire 390BH. I'm Barry P. Come see us at Family Fun RV. Let's get camping.